So, you may have noticed that as you're recording a video, your battery charge has been reducing. And if you're connected with the Lark M2 wireless microphone, then it's not really easy to charge because the receiver is in the charging port. So if you want to be able to charge your phone while still recording a video, it's fairly simple. You'll notice on the receiver this Type-C port right here. So this Type-C port allows you to connect your charger to the receiver so that you can be able to continue charging your iPhone while you're still recording your videos, even while using the microphone. So all you need to do is simply grab your charging cable, and then in the port, simply insert the cable into the port like that. Wait for it to be read, and now, as you can see, my iPhone is charging while I'm still using my microphone to record videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.